is the enchiladas. Good morning, everyone. Today it's Saturday, so it means weekend. It means we're gonna go outside. Okay, we are gonna go to I don't know. Maybe we're gonna go to thrift store. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to go to thrift store and then walking around the city. Okay, so let's get ready. Tara. Okay. This skin tint 8. I love this. By the way, happy Easter, guys. I forgot. Oh, I'm getting closer because my mirror is right my camera, so makeup is done and now we are going to fix this hair. So I'm back and look at this hair. Separate first. So we are done, by the way, and this is the after we diffuse it. I love this so much. So that's it, and let's go outside. Okay, we ready? Okay, probably I'm going to eat first and then go to thrift store. If I'm not gonna eat, I'm gonna pass out. Okay, so let's go. Okay, before I go, I wanna make sure my kiddos, they are alright. They eat well. So look at this. Wow! So, like tomatoes, they're growing. They're really good. So here is cucumber. And the other one is watermelon. Let's see. I still have a lot of land to plant. I have pumpkin, corn, this one, salad, water spinach. It's called kangkung in my language. So I'm gonna plant all of the stuff. So pretty.
Nächste Haltestelle, Schloss.
We are at the thrift store. On this one. Let's try it. This one is pretty, like really pretty. I already bought some clothes and now I'm going to the city center. So guys, I'm waiting for my bus to go back home and Hi, by the way, I bought matcha latte, blueberry matcha latte. I'm back. Let's try it. Also, our balcony is not ready yet. It's just 10%. This is the balcony. So pretty. Look at this. Hello folks, this is what's in my bag. I got Grwm. It's so good, especially when you eat with rice and pineapple, SpongeBob house, a roll, chicken breast, jalapenos, and onion. I just realized we did not have that. And this one, green cheese. And also burger sauce, mangoes. After this, probably I'm going to cook enchiladas. I really want to try it because why not? Already scrolled the TikTok. There is a lot of receipts, so we're gonna recite receipt. Girl, English is so confusing, but yeah, I'm gonna scroll the TikTok again to look the easiest way to cook enchiladas. And I'm gonna show you guys so you guys also know and maybe can cook at home too. So let's do it. Let's go. Okay, by the way guys, change the outfit first because that's it. Forgot me, yeah, me too. But I really forgot the tortilla. And yeah, oh my god, this is the main character here. This is the Grwm and we're gonna wax it. So this is the sauce and you tap it, the tortilla. Like this, and then you fry it. what you guys think. What you guys think? Oh my god. Dang. Let's go. So guys, and this is the enchiladas. This is so good. I didn't film the whole process because I ran out battery, so it's good when it's like a little bit spicy. So I really like this. Oh my god, it is so good. And also I'm gonna continue eat this and see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Welcome to my jungle. He's dying, by the way. Poor baby. He also almost died. She's so cute. He's also surviving right now. In terminal phase, I guess. Oh my god. But she's cute. Baby. Oh shit. Probably going to replant this one too because this is so small pot. This one. Oh, it's so easy. They are really dehydrated. It's not good. Why they're so bad? Oh my god, no. Don't die. Wait, what? Guys, what the heck? Can it be here? Oh my god. Wait. Alright, this is the next. The biggest key ever. It's Monstera. Hey, this is supposed to be like this, dude. Heartbreaking seeing this. What should I do, guys? Try this one on. Alright. This is the plants. Okay. This I'm going to. What again? There's a cute little. someone just blasting music. I think it's Arabic. After this, oh my goodness. After this, I'm probably gonna take a shower because I wanna go to park and chill a little bit because I really want some ice cream right now. I'm craving it so bad, and I think I'm gonna let my plants here for a little bit. I bring this. Oh my god, the mangoes with richa garam. Richa means chili and garam means salt, so we're gonna eat that. I'm editing my video. It's actually not good if you're eating that manga jagaram in the morning. It's gonna hurt your stomach. We are going to church first, okay? And like usual, I'm late. So we are going right now. Sit for a second. Oh my god. Wait. Okay. And I think that's it for today. And hope you guys enjoyed this weekend vlog. And don't forget to like. Hope you guys also have a wonderful, blessed, and great day. And see you guys in the next one. Bye.